I have done many of these videos on the Finis Dake Annotated Reference Bible King James Version before. You can see this huge, thick book, and one can really not be done with this because it's so extensive. This will be an entirely new kind of name, so you will always know what it's about. Now, the name of it is going to be Dake, Hebgr. A slight dash after Dake, and then Hebgr together. That means Hebrew Greek. The reason I put that in there is because what Dake does, along with all the side notes that you can see there, there's the actual text of the book, and these are all the notes on both sides and on the bottom and so forth. What it does is when a word is difficult to understand, especially its meaning and in the context in which it's written, if it's the Old Testament, he'll give the actual Hebrew word and explain it. And if it's the New Testament, he will give the Greek word and explain it. So that's very helpful. But one more thing he does as well, and I've mentioned this before, many people, when they have a Bible like this and it's a commentator, will talk about the book of the Bible they're working with first before they get into that itself. And I've told you this before. What Dake does, once a book is finished, then he talks about it. So, for example, if you're in any book, like the book of Exodus, for example, once the book of Exodus is completely done, it says Exodus Notes or Exodus Notes Continued. So that's what he does. And in there, you will also find more things about the book than you will find in the actual book itself. He goes into extreme detail. So, for example, let me see if we can find Exodus notes here before time runs out. Yeah, here you go. These are 3-column notes on just Exodus itself. Now, in the actual commentary notes that he has in the text, he will mention where to go in there. We will continue this shortly. This will be Dake